Hello, my name is Savannah Rivera, and I would like to talk to you guys about the childhood obesity epidemic. Obesity has been a public health epidemic throughout the world for a while now. Several school systems have implemented BMI screenings to assist in conquering the obesity issue. However, BMI screenings are not effective in decreasing BMI obesity rates without other programs to complement the intervention. Several lifestyle choices can cause obesity. Therefore, the most cost-effective and efficient way to decrease the success rate of BMI screenings is to implement more time for physical activity during the school day. Success in this context is defined as decreasing at least 50% of the students' BMI rates in the school systems. Physical activity does indeed correlate to a lower BMI and body fat percentage. The recommended time children should spend doing physical activity is about 1 hour per day. Most schools have specials such as gym, music, art, computer class, or other activities. There is also recess time. With a combination of specials and recess, it is feasible and cost-effective to provide opportunities for students to reach at least half of their physical activity recommendations every day. No funding is needed. 5 minutes during each class to stand or do jumping jacks or any form of movement will add 20 minutes in addition to gym and recess throughout the week. The next steps for the policy will include implementing the physical activity policy into the school day and enforcing that teachers and children participate in the 5-minute breaks, recess, and gym activities. For the opposing view that not all children should be forced to play sports, physical activity is simply the act of exerting calories. Physical activity involves any activity that a person is up and moving their body. Therefore, all students will be able to pick what activity they would like to participate in, whether it is sport-related or not. By enforcing 30 minutes of physical activity, by enforcing that 30 minutes of physical activity is required for each student every day, some of the weight will be taken off the parents who do not have the finances or time to involve their children in extracurricular activities.